The key to having a successful relationship between an auto repair business and its customers comes down to one thing: trust. Vehicles mean a lot to their owners. Whether it's the cost they put into purchasing, the sentimental attachment that they've made, or the dependable workhorse that can take them and their family wherever they need to go. Their car is more than just a vehicle, making it a difficult decision to hand it over to a new auto shop for service. No one wants to put their vehicle in the hands of someone they aren't familiar with or don't trust to do the best work. While you know you're not one of those shops, the challenge lies in how you let your customers know that. Because if you can show them your reputation and prove that your shop can be trusted, then it makes it easier for customers to let you work on their vehicle. But how can you manage your reputation online and truly make sure your customers are seeing the best of what you have to offer? Online reviews are one of the first places that customers commonly check, with Google reviews being the most common in the industry. Making sure that you have a large quantity of fresh, high-rated, and high-quality reviews immediately signals to a customer that other people already trust you. They also serve as real, genuine feedback that you can use to shape your business. Google reviews are important for your physical customers, but they're also vital for your SEO. Responding to your Google reviews acts as a signal to show that your business is active and, as a result, should elevate your shop in local search results, which should bring in new business and start the cycle all over again. Customers find your shop online and trust you with their vehicle. You provide high-quality service. You ask your newly satisfied customers to leave a Google review. Positive Google reviews improve your search rankings, helping you get found by more customers. But the hardest part, as most shop owners know, is actually getting your customers to leave reviews. Your best option is to just ask. When a customer comes to pick up their vehicle, asking them to go online and give their feedback acts as one of the easiest forward-facing ways to try to generate reviews. And there are other options too, like messaging via text or email after the service is complete. If you're looking for a better way to build your digital reputation, AutoBoost's review platform is an all-encompassing hub that helps shop build their digital reputation and convert satisfied customers into new Google reviews. Upholding your reputation digitally is one thing, but doing so with your physical interactions is another half of the battle. Transparency can lessen any fears or issues a new customer to your shop may have. Also, being able to communicate effectively with them to resolve problems and help them better understand the work you are doing helps prevent frustration and them from leaving a bad review online. But sometimes negative reviews happen. If a customer did not directly communicate with your team, this is still a chance to get actionable feedback that can help provide better customer service in the future. If there was no way for your team to make the customer happy, there are other options than to leave the door open to a potential negative review. Having a goodwill budget is one way to accomplish this. A sound process to ensure that your shop receives value is also a good idea. It's as important as a comeback process. The budget used for goodwill goes a long way if a negative review is prevented. It also gives you more ammunition for your review response if the customer does leave a negative review, allowing potential future customers to see that you did everything possible to take care of the customer, even if there's no way to win at the service counter. The best auto repair shops aren't just the ones that do the best work, but the ones that also let potential new customers know that they are a trusted auto repair shop. By properly building and managing your shop's reputation, you'll set your business apart from competitors and ensure that your customers know that you're the best option for them.